Welcome to our next tutorial of Mesh Surface for SOLIDWORKS freeform modeling. So far we learned how to add a face and how to duplicate an edge and a point and how to actually extend our surface and start building a more complex shape. We also learned how to move them in space using the manipulator and how to actually create these complex shapes. So this video will just speak about our first tools here, which are called increased resolution and a split edge. The increased resolution is a really simple command that it takes all the visible quads that you see on the screen and takes every quad and it splits into four smaller quads. This is useful, you will see later, when you build a really rough shape of the object over the mesh, and then you want to get closer to the mesh and to get better accuracy. So the command is really simple. It's located in the tools menu. You press increase resolution and you see the result is the same shape but with more quads. This will allow you to actually create a different shape. For example, here I can just take this and I can change my shape. The other option is, which is called the split edge. The split edge is useful in some cases that, for example, we want to create another split but only in one direction. For this reason, what we need to do is just select an edge. This will mean that it will follow all the quads that are connected in this direction and will just split these edges in half. Let's try this command. I will just select my edge and press split. If you have multiple edges selected, the result is, I would say, unpredictable. What I mean is it will take one of the selected and only this one will be split. So if you use the command split edge, just make sure you select only one edge and then you press this button. Also, I would like to say that some of the commands are available in the context menu. So if you have a big screen and you do want to move the mouse back to your control panel, you can right-click and you can see our additional options here, which we will explore. For now, we're just looking for the split command, which is available here. I select split. As you see, this edge split and we can see the result on the screen. Again, I can also increase the resolution only in this direction, and this is my result. Maybe here it's the moment to say about what is this option, which is called control net. Again, the freeform modeling is based on what we call a sub-D modeling. So this is the final shape that we'll get in SOLIDWORKS as a surface that can be processed and treated as a real surface. But we know that it's behind this we have in the spline theory we have something what is called control point, and for this freeform modeling we have something what is called control net or control gauge. So this is an option that will turn on and off your control net. As you can see here, the control net actually is where your control points are, and you can manipulate the surface by using these control points. For many cases this might be useful if you want to change the shape or adjust. You can see that now I cannot pick my surface, but the only way I can manipulate the result on the screen is just by working with this control net. Again, the same like the previous descriptions, you can select the points and you can just use the manipulator to move the control points. As you can see here, it's a good example that the shape actually goes in this direction, but it's not sharp here. So this is what is called a control point. So it's good for you to know that this option exists, because in some cases it might be more suitable to use the control net instead of your real surface. This is all for now. Thank you for watching.